Late one night, while searching for a misplaced file, I stumbled upon a narrow, forgotten door hidden behind a dusty shelf in the office storage room. Curiosity piqued, I squeezed through into a cramped, dimly lit chamber. At its center sat an ancient typewriter, its keys gleaming eerily under the flickering fluorescent light. Drawn to it, I reached out, and as my fingers brushed the keys, the machine clattered to life, spitting out words before my mind could form them. It described, in vivid detail, my deepest fears and long-buried secrets, things I'd never spoken aloud. Panic seized me as I realized the typewriter was narrating events moments before they happened. I tried to leave, but the door had vanished, leaving only solid wall behind me. Trapped, I watched helplessly as the typewriter foretold a final, chilling event, my own disappearance, never to be found. The last thing I heard was the relentless,